How to use Google Drive on your PC. So first you want to open up your browser and then head to Google Drive. So you can type in the search Google Drive, click on the first link, and make sure to sign into your Gmail or Google account before you can start using it. And it should open up Google Drive like this. Now in here you can create folders and upload stuff. So for example, you want to right click on this empty space right here to create a folder. Go to my drive first, right click and then click new folder, and then you can basically give it a name like this and double click on the folder to open it, and then right click again to upload a file or upload a folder as well. So you can also drag and drop files into this empty space to upload them, and it should start the upload immediately. And once it's done, you should see this green checkbox and the file created right here. And you can do that for pretty much all types of files, including exes and zips or archives or any kind of file. Now you can also open up files and edit them online. So for example, if you right click, you can see the services or the apps that come with Google Drive, which is Google Docs, Google Sheets, Slides, and Forms, and drawings, maps, sites, and scripts. You can also connect more apps in here. So for example, if you have a PDF file like this and you want to edit it or convert it to a specific file, you can right click on it and click on Open With, and then choose either Google Docs or suggested apps. You can also connect more apps. So I'm going to choose Google Docs in this case, and it should open up the PDF or the file in the selected service or app. And then from here you can edit your file and add text to it and do whatever you want with it. You can also click on File and Download, and also download it in a specific type or convert it to a specific type, such as Microsoft Word or web page or PDF again. And you can also share the files by clicking on Share and selecting or switching this from restricted to anyone with link, and then simply copy the link and send it over to your friend or whoever you want to have access to that file. Now to share files or folders from Google Drive, you can simply right click on the file and then click on Share, click on Share again, and switch this to anyone with link and simply copy the link and send it over to anyone. You can also change their role from viewer to commenter or editor if you want them to comment or edit the file, and then click on Done. Now to share a folder, you want to right click on the folder and do the same process. Click on Share and change the folder as well, and then change the role if you want to, and simply copy the link and share it. And to be able to remove files or folders, you will simply right click on them and click on Move to Trash. Now this will be temporarily moved to the trash here, and you can recover it by right clicking on it and click on Restore. But the trash will be cleared or deleted after 30 days. So if you have any files in here, make sure that you don't need them anymore. Otherwise, restore them before 30 days. And to delete them forever, you can simply select the file and right click Delete Forever, or basically select everything and click on the delete icon at the top. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about Google Drive. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.